Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by cleaning and scuffing the board. Remove all wax and sand 120-220 grit so paint keys. Once done, wipe with acetone and mask the rails, leash plug, and fin boxes so you avoid overspray. Now mix a thin primer, about 1:1 with reducer for enamel or PU-compatible paint, and strain it into a clean cup. This prevents particles that cause fish eyes. You should apply the first thin coat from 12-18 inches, moving steadily to build a uniform base. You continue by building the finish. Spray or brush 2-3 even wet coats, giving each coat a 10-15 minute flash so solvents evaporate. Once the surface feels tack-free, inspect for runs or orange peel. Wet sand problem areas with 400-600 grit, then clean with a tack cloth so dust won't be trapped. For logos or stripes, switch to an airbrush or fine brush, mask carefully, and apply thin design coats. Make sure to follow the paint's cure times. Rushing causes soft spots, and you finish by applying a UV-resistant clear coat, 2 to 4 thin coats with proper flash time between each. This seals color and protects against sun. After full cure, wet sand with 800 to 1,500 grit to remove orange peel, then compound and polish to the desired gloss. Work slowly and check frequently. If you find solvent pop or sagging, don't panic. Sand the defects smooth, clean with acetone, let the substrate breathe, and recoat in thinner layers. That targeted fix restores a smooth, durable finish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.